While the Nifty 50 gained around 13% in the last 18 months, CastleGate's sectoral plus factor rotation strategy delivered over 22% with controlled drawdowns. Where the broader market was average, our model stood out, delivering superior performance through timely rotation into winning stocks. In this video, you'll see how this rotational framework actually works, how it shifts capital intelligently across sectors and factors to stay aligned with market leadership. I am Kaushal, founder of Wizzer, an AI trading and coding terminal that brings the entire institutional trading framework to active traders, helping them operate like a one-man hedge fund. I am also the founder and CEO of CastleGate Capital. Today, I am walking you through our sectoral plus factor rotation model, a rules-based system that blends sector leadership with smart beta factor tilts to keep capital parked in what's working and to exit what isn't. This strategy was fully developed by CastleGate Capital and backtested on Wizzer institutional grade infrastructure. At its heart, this strategy does two things. It follows the money across sectors, and within those leading sectors, it favors the kinds of stocks the market is currently rewarding. We use relative rotation graphs to spot sectors with rising relative strength and momentum, then layer a 6-factor stock selection engine. The result is a weekly rotation across the strongest sectors, holding the best scoring names inside them, while a monthly factor tilt adapts to the style that's winning right now. Every CastleGate strategy comes with complete documentation. Its structure, logic, and parameters are fully detailed in the strategy document, which you can easily access by clicking the link in the description. We start at the sector level. For each NSE sector, we run an RRG style 3-step process. Compute RS sector, the sector's performance relative to the broad market. Smooth it with a 13-week EMA to get RS ratio, the smoothed relative strength line. Take the 1-week change of RS ratio to compute RS momentum, showing how quickly that smooth line is improving or deteriorating. We then Z-score RS ratio and RS momentum across all sectors for comparability and place every sector into one of 4 RRG quadrants: leading, weakening, lagging, or improving. From the leading quadrant, we select the top 5 sectors by distance from the origin on the RS ratio RS momentum Z-score plane. We only commit capital to sectors that remain in the leading quadrant for 2 consecutive sessions, cutting out the noise of one-day pop. Once the leaders are confirmed, we switch to stock picking inside those sectors. Each stock is scored on 6 factors: momentum, value, quality, low volatility, size, and institutional participation. We then select the top 2 factors by 13-week return of their respective factor indices. After these top 2 factors are set for the month, we compute each stock's factor Z-scores within its sector and take the mean of the 2 selected factors as the average tilt. The final stock score is 60% momentum rank within sector plus 40% average tilt. The top 3 stocks by this final score in each eligible sector become the qualifying candidates. Operationally, the engine runs on a weekly cadence with a monthly overlay. Through the week, we track sector signals and mark any sector that spends 2 consecutive sessions in the leading quadrant as eligible. Every Friday EOD, we recompute final scores within eligible sectors and rebalance the portfolio so it holds the top 3 stocks by final score per sector, subject to liquidity and turnover filters, with equal sizing at the stock level. If a sector loses its leading status for 2 straight sessions, we exit holdings mapped to that sector immediately. At the start of each calendar month, we reset the factor tilt for the month, while weekly rebalances only refresh stock scores and constituents. Backtested on Wizzer institutional infrastructure using accurate NIFTY 500 constituent data, this strategy delivered strong performance with a win rate of 55, a Sharpe ratio of 0.41, Sortino ratio of 0.47, and profit factor is around 1.5. The model maintained consistent returns through sector rotations, managed controlled drawdowns during market corrections. If you'd like to build and backtest your own models, click the link in the description and sign up on Wizzer today. Have questions or need help getting started? Connect with us on WhatsApp or set up a session with our team through the Google Meet link in the description below.
Wizzer, one-man hedge fund.